Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. And for today's video, we're going to talk about division of polynomials. To divide polynomials, like in multiplication, we need to understand two things. And what are those? Number one, rules in dividing integers. And number two, laws of exponents. Kung babalikan po natin yung ating nakalipas na videos regarding rules in dividing integers, nakalagay po doon na when we divide two integers with different sign, the quotient is always negative. At kapag magkaparehas naman yung sign, magiging positive. Sa laws of exponent naman, gagamitin po natin yung laws of exponent regarding division, kung saan yung exponent ng mga variable ay isusubtract natin only kung magkaparehas yung variable. For example, we have 4a cubed minus 10a squared plus 8a divided by 2. So isa-isahin po natin itong mga terms na to, i-divide natin lahat sila kay 2a. So start muna tayo kay 4a cubed divided by 2a. Pares naman silang positive, kaya positive pa rin yung sagot. So, ang answer for this first term is 2a squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, bakit po siya naging a squared? Kasi we have 3 here and then 1 here. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, let's go with the second term. Negative 10 divided by positive 2. Since magkaiba sila ng sign, magiging negative yung sagot natin. So, 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. And then, sa variable naman natin, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, kapag 1 na ang exponent, hindi na natin siya isinusulat. Kaya ang final answer natin for the second term is negative 5a. And then, yung last term natin, positive 8a divided by positive 2a. So, pares naman silang positive, kaya ang answer natin ay positive din. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, bakit po nawala na yung variable? Kasi 1 minus 1 ay 0 na. So, makakancel lang sila. Kaya, di na natin isusulat yung variable. So, the final answer for this one is 2a squared minus 5a plus 4. Another example. X to the 6th power plus 7x to the 5th power minus 5x to the 4th divided by x squared. So, i-divide ulit natin silang lahat doon kay x squared. So, start na natin. X to the 6 divided by x squared. So, since parehas naman silang walang numerical coefficient, so of course, ang answer natin, wala ring numerical coefficient. Ang gagawin lang natin, i-minus natin yung exponent nila. So, 6 minus 2 ay 4. Kaya ang first term natin ay x to the 4th power. Next, 7x to the 5th divided by x squared. So, both positive, kaya positive pa rin yung sagot natin. So, since ito ay 7 at ito ay automatic magiging 1, 7 divided by 1 is 7. And then yung variable niya, 5 minus 2 ay 3. Kaya magiging second term natin ay 7x cubed. Next, negative 5x to the 4th divided by x squared. So, again, ito po ay may 1 dito. Kaya ang i-divide natin ay 5 divided by 1. So, isang negative, isang positive. Kaya ang answer natin ay negative. So, 5 divided by 1 is 5. And then, 4 minus 2 is 2. So, ang ating final answer for this one ay x to the 4th power plus 7x cubed minus 5x squared. Another. So, ito po yung ibang itsura ng ating division of polynomials. Yung kanina, yun yung normal na itsura ng division. Pero in this case naman, naka-fractional form siya. So, yung fraction is also division. Okay. So, start na natin. So, kapag ganito yung case, ganun pa rin naman. Isa-isa natin silang i-divide lahat kay 2mn or kay negative 2mn. So, parang ganito. Si 4m squared, m to the 4th power, n to the 4th power. I-divide natin siya kay negative 2mn. So, isang positive, isang negative. Expect na natin ang sagot natin ay negative. Ayan, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 4 minus 1 ay 3. And then 4 minus 1 ay 3. Kaya ang ating first term ay negative 2m cubed n cubed. So next, si negative 8m cubed n to the fourth naman at saka si negative 2mn. So parehas negative, kaya ang ating second term ay positive. 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 3 minus 1 ay 2, 4 minus 1 ay 3. So ang ating second term ay 4m squared n cubed. Next, si 6mn cubed naman at si negative 2mn. Isang positive, isang negative. So ang ating magiging answer ay negative. And 6 divided by 2 ay 3. 1 minus 1 ay 0, kaya hindi na natin isusulat si m dahil eliminate na siya. And then 3 minus 1 ay 2. Kaya ngayon, ang ating final answer ay negative 2m cubed n cubed plus 4m squared n cubed minus 3n squared. Next, we have 27y to the fourth plus 6y squared minus 18 divided by negative 6y. Ganun pa rin. Isa-isahin natin. So, si 27y to the fourth at saka si negative 6y. Yan, isang positive, isang negative. Ibig sabihin ang answer natin ay negative. So, hindi po pwedeng i-divide si 27 at si negative 6. So, hindi po siya exact yung sagot. Kaya, i-remain muna natin silang fraction. So, that is negative 27 over 6. So, yung negative sign niya ay nasa gitna ng fractional form. And then, 4 minus 1 is 3. Kaya, y cubed. Next, yung gitna naman, isang positive 6y squared at saka si negative 6y. So, positive divided by negative ay negative. So, bakit naging y na lang? Kasi 6 divided by 6 ay 1 at automatic na po siyang 1 at di na siya sinusulat. The same sa exponent niya, 2 minus 1 is 1. Di na rin yun sinusulat. Kaya, y na lang ang ilalagay natin. And then, yung last term natin, negative divided by negative ay yan, positive. So, 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then, dahil walang y dito, ibig sabihin, 0 yon. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Kaya po, negative 1 yung answer natin dito. So, ito po yung ating answer. Pero, hindi po yan yung naka-simplest form. Isi-simplify pa po natin yan. I-reduce natin sa lowest term. Tingnan muna natin yung first term natin. Si 27 over 6 ay pwede po pong i-simplify. Both of them are divisible by 3. Pwede natin silang i-divide kay 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, ang ating answer dyan ay negative 9 over 2y cubed. So, yung gitna naman ay okay na yan, kaya ganyan na rin siya. Yung last term naman natin, kung babalikan natin laws of exponent, kapag po siya ay negative, ililipat lang natin siya ng location. So, in this case, ito po ay nasa numerator kasi di ba ang whole number, automatic, ang denominator niyan ay 1. So, si y ay negative at nasa numerator siya. Kung gagawin natin siyang positive, ilalagay lang natin siya sa ilalim. Kaya ang ating final answer ay negative 9 over 2y cubed minus y plus 3y. Another example, 17a cubed plus 8a squared plus 12a plus 7 divided by 2a. So, meron po tayong apat na terms. So, start na tayo. Start tayo kay 17a cubed and 2a. Hindi po sila pwedeng i-divide, kaya naka-fraction form lang siya na 17 over 2. But yung pinaka-variable ay pwede naman nating bawasan. 3 minus 1 ay 2, kaya a squared yan. So, next, yung gitna na, yung susunod na term naman, 8a squared divided by 2a. Yan. Parehas naman positive, kaya ang answer natin ay positive. So, 8 divided by 2 ay 4. And then, 2 minus 1 is 1, kaya 4a lang siya. Next, yung third term natin, si 12a at saka si 2a. So, parehas pa rin positive, kaya positive pa rin sagot natin. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then, yung ating pinaka-variable, a ay 1 minus 1, kaya cancel na siya. So, 6 na lang. And then last, si 7 over 2a. So, divide natin. Hindi naman natin yan may divide Kaya naka-fraction form lang yan. 7/2a. So, ang ating final answer ay iyan na. 17/2a squared plus 4a plus 6 plus 7/2a. So, hindi po natin mapapagsama to ha kasi ito po ay nasa numerator at ito naman ay nasa denominator. Okay, to further understand our lesson for today, please answer this activity. Maaari po nating i-post ang video na ito para magkaroon po tayo ng longer time sa pagsasagot. Okay, let us check. For number 1, 2n cubed plus 20n squared plus n divided by 10n squared. So, compute muna natin si 2n cubed divided by 10n squared. So, hindi naman pwedeng i-divide si 2 and 10. Gawin muna natin siyang fraction. So, which is 2/10. And then 3 minus 2, 1 na lang. So, nag-iisang n na lang siya. Next, so positive, positive, kaya plus. And then 20 divided by 10 ay 2. So, n squared divided by n squared. So, 2 minus 2 is 0. Kaya wala na siyang variable. And then next, 1 divided by 10. So, okay lang yan. Gawin muna natin ganito. So, since wala naman numerical coefficient, so wala tayong ilalagay. And then, n divided by n squared is negative 1. So, kasi 1 minus 2, negative 1. Pero, hindi pa to ang ating final answer dahil pwede pa tong i-simplify at ito ay naka-negative exponent pa. So, parang yung kanina example natin. So, si 2 at si 10 ay divisible pares sa 2. Kaya, ang magiging sagot natin ay 1/5 and si 2 ay okay na siya plus 2 plus 1/n. So, bakit po nagkaroon ng 1? Nilipat lang po kasi natin yung n sa ilalim sa may denominator. At para maging fraction siya, automatic lalagyan lang natin siya ng 1 sa ibabaw. So, ito po yung ating magiging final answer. So, for number 1 ay 1/5 and ayusin lang natin, unahin natin yung mga fraction plus 1/n plus 2. Yan. Next, for number 2, 16x squared minus 12x plus 8 divided by 4. So, 16 divided by 4 ay 4. And then, wala namang variable ng ilalim, kaya copy lang natin si x squared. Next, negative tsaka positive, so magiging negative. 12 divided by 4 ay 3. So, wala rin naman itong variable ulit, kakopy natin si x. And then, positive, positive, kaya magiging positive. Then, 8 divided by 4 ay 2. So, ang ating final answer ay 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. Next, for number 3. So, negative and positive. Ang answer natin first term ay negative. 8 divided by 8 is 1, kaya hindi na natin isusulat yon. So, 5 minus 4 is 1. So, h na lang. Then, negative, negative, positive yan. 32 divided by 8 ay 4. Then, 4 minus 4 ay 0, kaya wala na tong variable. So, positive and negative ay negative. 16 divided by 8 ay 2. And then, 3 minus 4 ay 1. So, negative 1. Yan. So, ang ating final answer in this one, ayusin muna natin. Ito ay naka-negative. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin dito, lalagyan lang natin ng 1 sa unahan dahil whole number siya. So, ang magiging final answer natin ay negative h minus, unahin natin yung magiging fraction, 1 over 2h plus 4. Next. So, 9 divided by 6. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-divide. Sulat muna natin as fraction. 9 over 6. So, k, 3 tsaka 1, magiging 2. So, k squared. And then, 2 minus 1 is 1. Kaya m. And then, 1 minus 1 ay 0. Kaya hindi na natin isusulat yon. Next, positive divided by positive is positive pa rin. So, 3 divided by 6, hindi pa rin natin pwedeng i-divide. Sulat muna natin as fraction. 3 over 6. And then, 2 minus 1 is 1, kaya k. Yung m, 1 minus 1 ay 0, kaya hindi na natin isulat. Yung n, 2 minus 1 ay 1, so n. Next, positive divided by positive, still positive. Then, 54 divided by 6 is 9. Ayan, pwede natin silang i-divide. Then, k, tsaka k, cancel na siya kasi 1 minus 1, 0. Ito namang m, 3 minus 1 ay 2. So, m squared. And then, yung n, pares din silang n as a first power, magiging 0. So, ito na yun. Ngayon, i-reduce natin sa lowest term. Si 9 over 6, pares silang divide sa 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, ang ating answer sa first term ay 3 over 2 k squared m plus yung kabila, pares pa rin sa 3. So, magiging 1/2 kn plus 9m squared. So, yung ating magiging final answer. I-rewrite lang natin. 3 over 2 k squared m. Unahin na natin yung dalawa ang variable. So, 1/2 kn plus 9m squared. So, yan ang ating final answer sa number 4. And for number 5, 18 divided by 9 ay 2. Yan, 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 2r to the 4th power. And then, positive, positive, positive pa rin. 36 divided by 9 is 4. And then, 4 minus 1 is 3. Yan, positive divided by positive, positive pa rin. 27 divided by 9 is 3. And then, 3 minus 1 is 2. So, ito ay madali. So, ang ating final answer sa isang to ay 2r to the 4th plus 4r cubed plus 3r squared. Yan. So, yan ang ating mga answer para sa activity na ito. Nakuha nyo ba ang tama ang lahat? Okay, mahusay. That's all for today. Sana po ay meron muli tayong natutunan para sa araw na ito. Muli, this is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. Kung meron po tayong mga topic na nais ma-discuss sa mga susunod na video, please comment down below. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!